Good morning, everyone. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. And if you're hopping on, say hi. If you're watching the replay, obviously type hashtag replay. That will really help. And today I'm wearing a shirt that I got from our foundation that's called Make Sense Foundation. It helps women and children in need. I was so happy that I could get this shirt. I really love it. And I wanted to what is it, like a parrot with the lip sense that can complement the message, and also a shade that can work for fall. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you're hopping on, say hi. And if you have tried lip sense, please do let me know if you have a favorite shade of your choice. I know I have talked about it almost in every live, but I think there are new people that are getting added every time, because lip sense is the starting place if anyone starts for Sanajans, even including me, because before I signed up, I was watching my appliance video for quite some time, and lip sense is the first one that got my attention. So lip sense is a unique product, so I thought why not cover it again, because I know that will help all the newbies when they select the new shade. So lip sense is a product. It's an all day wear lip color that is not a lip stain. It is water resistant and smudge resistant. And if you are a first time buyer for lip sense, then you pick a color of your choice, and you need to buy the starter kit when you buy as a first time. So you can pretty much pick any shades. I will show my collection. It is always what is like it keeps growing for the past 3 years, so I have quite a few now. So you pick a color of your choice. If this is the first time, then hi Sandhya, thank you Sandhya. That's what, like I got it as what is it, like part of our Make Sense Foundation, and it covers every tone. So I was so happy that I could got this shirt for this time. So you pick a color of your choice. It can be of any lip color, and you pick a gloss of your choice. Previously we always suggested the glossy gloss to go with it, because the glossy gloss will moisturize, and also it will show the actual color because it's a clear gloss. So all our glosses have vitamin E and shea butter in them, and now we have so many pigmented glosses. So now we give the option to the customer whether they want to go with the what is it, like the clear gloss, or they can go with any pigmented glosses, because a gloss can be worn on its own, whereas lip sense cannot. So if you are a first time buyer, you need to have a gloss to seal the color, otherwise your lips are going to stick and you will not be able to enjoy the color at all. So the gloss is the one that is going to change the color into an all day wear and smudge resistant. So you need to pick a gloss of your choice. It can be any clear gloss. For example, this one is a pearl gloss. If you are a matte lover, you can even pick a clear matte gloss. This is our clear matte gloss. Look how pretty it is. You can change any color into a matte lip look by wearing a matte gloss. And now we have even pigmented matte gloss. So that is another choice. And you need a remover to remove at the end of the day. See, I know many people, because this is a must have, so they don't have an option. But when it comes to oops remover, many people always ask me whether I can skip it, because oops remover will be the safest place to remove your lip sense. That way you don't have to rub hard to remove at the end of day. And also if you have made any mistakes, then this is the easiest way to correct it. There is no way you can just wipe it across or make any corrections. If you are someone who likes very perfect lines, then you need the oops remover, and it's not a lot. It's just $10, and it's going to last you so long. And you can even apply before applying the lip sense, just to clean it, because when you apply lip sense, you want your lips not to have anything, because Lipsons will molecularly bond with your lips, so you want your lips to be really clean. So that's the first step. So if you are a first time buyer, make sure you pick your color of your choice, a gloss of your choice, and the oops remover. So that's the first one. Let me grab the next. So now that even for a glossy gloss, we do have the Bella Glossy. Instead of glossy gloss, you can even pick this. As I mentioned, you can even wear the glosses on its own. So this will have a light tint of color to your lips, and you can top it with any color, Lipson's color to seal it. So this is the Madeline gloss. So you can if you are someone, for example, if you are picking a color, something you wanted to show, that's why we advise you to have a clear gloss, because if you are topping it with a pigmented gloss, it is going to change the color a little bit, whereas a clear gloss will show the color as it is. So that's the first step, but you can pretty much pick any color and any gloss for you. And let me explain the next concept of how you pick the color. There are concepts saying that we have permanent lip colors and limited edition lip colors. So there are, I think, 53 colors that are in permanent colors, which never goes out of stock unless it is removed from the permanent line. So there are like pinks, reds, and everything in that permanent line. So you can pick that shade anytime. And the same way we do call something called limited edition, which SANAGENS releases the colors throughout the year. So you will be able to pick it only until it gets sold out, and after that you will not be able to get that color. And that applies to our gloss too. So we do have quite a few glosses in every shade, whether it's a pink gloss, whether you want a purple gloss, we have blue gloss, we have, as I mentioned, clear gloss. And when it comes to glosses, there are 3 sizes. This is our full size gloss, whether it's glossy or not. Then we do have few of them in a little smaller size. Very few glosses came in that size, so you can pick those glosses, or the holiday minis, which are perfect for the kids or even stocking stuffers. So when it comes to glosses, you have 3 choices to pick from. And as I mentioned, since they have vitamin E and shea butter, you can wear them even the day you don't wear the lip color. And the next thing, let's apply and then talk about it. Since I'm wearing a shirt that talks about women of color, I had picked few colors that can go, like I wanted to wear a brown that can complement these shades. So I think I'm leaning towards more of espresso. That's the one I want to wear for today, because I feel like this will complement the t-shirt really well. But I do have nutmeg and cocoa from our permanent line. These two are shimmers and frost. If you're someone who likes brown with a little bit of shimmer to it, these two are really nice choices. And we do have a deep burgundy, another matte shade that works really well. So I think I'm going to go ahead with espresso for today. This is a perfect fall shade. If you are a lover of brown and matte color, you need to try this one. And the other thing I want to talk about it is, okay, let me go ahead by one. So when you are applying Lipsons, always make sure to clean your lips really well, because that way Lipsons can molecularly bond well to your lips and stay longer. So what I like to do is I like to use a witch hazel, because I don't have water here. But if you are getting ready closer to water, you can just wipe it with a clean towel. So that way there is no foundation or any powders or anything that you have used. So do you see I had a little bit of foundation here. So it's not like, what is it, like must, but I always suggest this step. That way you have clean dry lips to start with. that makes the color to stay longer, because Lipsons can stay anywhere from 4 to 16 or 18 hours. So it depends on your pH level. Even the same color can look little different on every skin tone. So we do have Scanalook app where you can try the color, but it's, what is it, like, it's I would say maybe 70 to 80% accurate, because there is completely different sense when you apply it on your lips. And the second step would be shaking the Lipsons tube really well, because here you don't have any chemicals that can mix it to give the pigment you want. Let me show you an example. This is persimmon. Can you see how the color has separated? I store it like this because I have usually the sticker is on the bottom. Since these colors I want to pick it immediately, I get a sticker on the top too, so that way I can store it instead of upside down. I can store it straight to pick the color. But if you see, the color has separated in this tube because there is no chemicals that's added to the Lipsons tube to mix it. So that's a good part actually. So what you need to do is, if you haven't used the color for so long, just make sure you shake the tube really well for like a 30 to 40 seconds. That should make the color mix well, because otherwise you are going to get a completely different pigment, and also it is not going to stay all day. So I always, there is a, what is it, like a little ball inside which can make your work easier. So always shake the tube well. Can you see it started to mix slowly from here? So that is a very important step if you are doing Lipsons. So some colors really separates. These colors you don't see anything. These are the new tubes where you can see the Lipsons logo clearly. That used to be the older bottles where you see the color a little less. And with Lipsons you have so much to use. Even if you use the color every single day, you will have 6 months worth of product here. So you are investing for quite a lot of product. And the second thing is, Lipsons has a longer shelf life. It is valid for, even if it is opened, the validity is 3 years, and unopened bottles have 7 years of validity. So it is like you have a lot of time, because it's not going to go waste. And Lipsons goes in 3 thin layers, and you are going to give like a 20-30 seconds depending on the consistency. If you are doing very thin consistency, it will really dry out fast. But if you have done a little bit of thicker layer, it may take longer. And when the tube, when you see the applicator, you can see it has a pointed tip. If you are someone who likes to line the lips, you can use the pointy tip to just line it, and the thicker side for applying the Lipsons. And always make sure you do really thin layers. So literally scrape out the wand, that way you don't have a lot of product. Because if you do thick layers, then your layers start peeling, and it won't be a really nice feeling to have. So I'm going to do my first layer. My lips are little big, so I like to do twice, like for up and down. I never wore brown before Lipsons actually. So this is the first layer. So I'm going to let it dry for 20 seconds. Hi Shweta, good morning. And what else? So since I mentioned Lipsons goes in 3 thin layers, if you even just have two shades, for example, you have a brown and you have a pink, which are two different. Like whenever my customer picks, I always give them an option to pick different color groups, because when you mix them, thank you Shweta, it is actually from the Make Sense Foundation. So Sanajans has a foundation which helps women and children. So they had a fundraiser a month back. Maybe I will forward you the link. I will forward you the link. You can buy one. So I got the shirt from them. So I really loved it. Like, I mean, the message as well as the shade. So that's why I'm doing a espresso, which is a brown, to match my outfit for the day. So if you even have two different shades, you can make 8 different combos out of these two lip colors. So it will be like 8 combos you can make. And since being a liquid lip color, when you buy more than one shade, I always like to send you guys the you want me to gift one? Why not? I can. So this is the disposable applicator wand, and I also, there is something called a tattoo ring. These are like, you can get it from Amazon or anywhere. So that way you can mix and match like a canvas color or a paint color, how you do to mix different shades. So here you will be able to make by pre-mixing, you will make tons of shades actually. So whenever a customer goes for a second shade, for example, if she is comfortable with pink itself, if she tries to take, for example, let me show 2 colors that are closer to each other. See, if she picks 2 pinks little closer to each other, I always suggest them to go pick a group that is little different. Like you can pick something like this. So that way you have like the 8 different combos in various shades, and it's easy to color max and mix for your outfits to match. So let me go ahead and do my second layer and talk about it again. So always make sure to scrape your wand really well. And as I say, since I am used to talking, I can talk, but if you touch your lips or smudge in between, it's going to really stick. So make sure you keep your lips a little wider when you apply the lip sense. So that's my second layer, and the same way, if you have 3 shades, you will be able to make 27 different combos out of it. So think of the versatility just by layering. And if you're going to pre-mix, it's like endless combos. Like as I showed, if you have a shade that is really light, you can mix a lot of pink with a little bit of brown. The same way you can do a lot of brown with a little bit of pink. So the percentage is going to differ each time, and you can even do 2 layers of the pre-mixed shade and 1 layer of the actual shade itself. So here it is like up to your imagination on how you want to play. The same way, this same color going to look different with this gloss, whereas it is going to be completely different with this gloss. So just by adding a different gloss, you're going to make it look like a completely different color, and having a gloss that is really pigmented, you are having another color of your choice. So you play with the shades to make comfortable, and once you understand the concept, it's really breeze, and they are never drying. That is another thing you need to consider. I have seen many of the other lipsticks, the traditional ones, that will really dry your lips, whereas lip sense will never dry, because these glosses are highly moisturizing. And since it's going to be all day, think of a color like this and it's smudging. It is going to, what is it, like, you need to be very cautious about when you carry it, but here you have you don't even worry about it once you apply all day. That is the first attraction towards Lipsons for me, because that way, being a busy mom, when I used to go for carpool or anything, I don't have to reapply at all, and I don't have to worry about, even if I'm changing a dress like even white, I don't have to worry about this color transferring. Like I know how many of you might have gone for dress picking. You need to be very cautious because you don't want the color to transfer it to the new shirt or something. So let me go ahead and do my final layer, and then we'll seal the color with the any gloss. And I have one more thing I want to talk about. Yeah, so that's my 3 layers. You can see how well it has applied. Since I used very thin layers, I have hardly used any, what is like the product. You have so much left in this that you can use. And Lipsons has a cosmetic grade alcohol SD40 in them. If you are a first timer and if you feel like there is a tingling sensation, that's because of that. Because every time you are touching your lips and putting the wand back, so they don't want any bacteria buildup inside. That's the reason that is the SD40 has been used, and the alcohol evaporates once you apply, so you don't feel it. And the more you use the product, you are going to, your lips are going to be healed. It is no more dry or chapped. It slowly start reducing. So if you have a tingling sensation, just understand that's because of that. And the next question I get asked all the time is, do I need to do 3 layers? So if you're not worried about it staying all day, like 18 hours, then please do go ahead and apply 1 layer and just seal it with the glossy. Like, see, for a color like this, you can even very well go with 1 layer and just seal it with the gloss. That way you're good to go for at least, I would say, 3 hours or 4 hours. It is not going to come out at all. Because why we ask you to do 3 layers is, it is to have the longer wear. Because the first layer is going to protect your lips. The second layer is the actual color, whereas the third layer is the one that is going to contact with the outside particles, whether you drink, whether you eat food, all those. The first layer is the one that's going to break. So if you're not worried about having it for a longer period of time, then go ahead and start with 1 layer. And a color like this, think of you, if you have never tried a brown and trying a color like this. I don't know whether you have seen, I have wore black color too. I am comfortable wearing any shade now after I started SeneGence. Before, if you asked me, even I would have been like taking aback if you have asked me to wear a color like this. But I feel sometimes when you have a proper outfit to coordinate, any color will suit you. Like, it's how you carry it and how confident you feel. The color is nothing to matter, and end of day, it's just a color. You can change it anytime. It's not like what is it, like something you cannot revert back. The life is just to explore and try new possibilities. So just go ahead and try it. Why not? It is, if you don't like it, you can just remove it end of day. So it's not a permanent tattoo or something you need to regret. And that is the other thing. So if you are like, for some people will be always wanting to try a red, but if you are trying a red that is really bold, then they'll be like, oh my god, I never tried a red and this is too bold for me. So go ahead and do like 1 layer, seal it with a glossy. Your mind has to adjust, because your mind always thought, okay, I can never carry a red. I am not a person who is going to wear a red. So it is more of a mindset. For example, if I having a short haircut all of a sudden, or if I having a glasses, my brain is not adjusted to that. Like, I mean, my brain has an image of myself where it has to match it with the current one. So it takes time for it to adjust to that. So give it a some time, play with it, play with the outfit that you wanted to pair with. For example, wearing a red on a PJ will look completely different from wearing it with a complete dressed outfit where I'm ready to go out, because I'm already in a mood, my mind is ready for want me to look really bright. So it is like more of a mind game than carrying it. So I always suggest those tips if you are a first timer. So that's a espresso on me, and I'm going to seal it with maybe matte gloss. What do you think? Do you want to top it with matte gloss, or you want to top it with like a shimmery watercolor, or anything of your choice? I wanted to go with matte because that way you can see the color and I can obviously do the smudge test. So hi Prashanti, thanks for hopping on. So I'm going to do the matte gloss first, and you can always combine the glasses. You want the shimmer? Sure. What kind of shimmer? Let's go with shimmer then. What shimmer we can go? There are plenty of shimmers. We have rose gold. We have what glass? We have like a Tahitian pearl. We have red glitter. What else? Like I showed the metallic. We have metallics. We have like a fiesta, which is like an orange with glitter. There are thousands of choices. We have sweet pea. I think I'm obsessed with sweet pea. Anytime when you see me in any of my outfits, I'll be like, I'm in sweet pea. That is one shade I'm always this is pink fortune. If you're not even oh, you want rose gold? Sure, why not? Where is my rose gold? Unfortunately, rose gold is the sold out one. Sometimes that's why I don't do colors that is sold out, because people will be like, see, these two are really close to each other, but they will have a little bit of difference. Let me first show you rose gold. Do you see? So it's basically your choice whether you want to stay a matte look, or you're okay with having a shimmer. Being the color being a matte, you have the versatility to go either side. So here we are going with rose gold because Prashanti wanted to see it. I'm a glossy girl. Yeah, I really love. I'm a glossy person, Prashanti. I can go with any of these glossy shades because I feel like once you have like a glossy feel, it immediately feels like your lips are really plumped, and it's nicely moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. So I am always up to having a glossy color. So you see how much it makes the color look really nice. And let's go for the smudge test always. I know since I have rose gold, obviously the color is going to, I mean, whatever you see here will be rose gold gloss, but anyway you won't see the brown espresso at all. See, whatever you see, the transfer is from the gloss. So I'll reapply. So, but when you have a color of this and doesn't transfer at all, it makes your life seriously easy, and makes the 2 minutes extra of doing 2-3 layers is totally worth it. Yeah, should be fine. Yeah, once you sealed, unless you, as I mentioned, if you need it for 14 hours, then try reapplying the gloss whenever you eat food or drink water, or even once in 3-4 hours, because that way it starts breaking out wherever it comes in contact with saliva or food. And if you have someone who likes to bite your lips, or what is it, like do scratch it often, then it may start to break out because you are rubbing the color, because the gloss will get absorbed after some time. It is going to moisturize your lips. So if you are looking for all day wear, then make sure to gloss in between. It can be of any gloss. You can just grab one in hand. And thanks Prashanti. It is from Senegen's Make Sense Foundation. So they had a fundraiser a month back, so I got the shirt for donating, so I got it along with the donation. So then what else? So that is about the Lipsons. I know I can talk about hours together, but we do have the Sanalook app where you can try the color, the Lipsons, glosses, blushes, eyeliners. What else is there? That's all I think, right? Okay, these are the main things you want to try as a color. So these will be available there. But sometimes what it does is a color like this, which is really pale, it will not show as much when you do it there, because they want to make the color a little darker, but when you apply it, it might look a little lighter. I always can swatch you if you want. I can show the tube next to a color that is really closer to, that way you can see whether it's how the color looks in the tube or how it can be swatched, all those stuff. And what else? There is albums in the group. There are permanent color albums where it will have colors in all skin tones, and there are limited edition albums that have in all skin tones, and there is an album called My Lipsons album, which will have each color when I wore them, so that you can see a difference whether you are fairer than me, you are darker than me. That way you can compare and see how the color may look on you, and that way you can pick a color. And as I mentioned, these comes with 100% money back guarantee, and mostly if I don't like the consistency, or if I feel the color will be little too bright, I will always let you know in front. Like it's not that when you ask the color, I will immediately send it across. I always make some suggestions, like I will say check this color, the consistency wise it will be really nice, and you can pick this color because you already have a red in that shade. This will complement the shade, all those stuff. I will do that. The same way with glosses, I can always make the suggestions. And thank you so much for making the sale successful. It was an amazing sale. To be frank, this is my highest sale throughout my 3 years of Senegens. So thank you so much from my bottom of my heart, because you made it possible. Because I am so happy when you grab the skincare, because this skincare is really worth trying, because each product is so unique. They work really well, and they do what they say. So that way I can be assured that you will really enjoy the product. And I was swapped with Resurfacer, Gold Mask, all the top sellers, which I have ordered. I think you won't believe, like I think I made 3 orders this week alone, because that's how much I was sold out of these things. Because usually I'll have plenty of stock in my hand, but like I had to send everything else, and I still have 2 boxes lying here waiting for each one to be added, because every order is waiting for 1 or 2, so I have to have almost another 10 to 12, I would say minimum 10 to 12 that has to be sent. My first order is reaching me on Friday, so anytime expect me the tracking and also the product info, because I always try to send it along once I ship it. That way you will be able to follow when it arrives. So as I mentioned, thank you so much, because this year it has been such a wonderful year for me to learn and progress, and also what is it, like expand the business, and I'm going to do another fun project next month, so wait for it. And it's going to be lot of learning and also so much fun. So, and this month again, the top contributor is going on, so don't forget that. That's still there. And I think I have covered most of the things. So thank you so much whoever hopped on. If you're watching, type hashtag replay when you watch the replay, and have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you.